We're trying to figure out, what am I trying to figure out? What is the mass in kilograms of 1 cubic meter of that substance? And that substance has 7.3 grams. Let me see, they give me this. 1 cubic meter is 1 million cubic centimeters. And 1 kilogram is 1,000 grams. Now, this 1 million here each has mass of 7.3 grams. Okay? So I need to take 7.3 times 1 million to give me 7,300,000 grams. But we don't want grams, we want kilograms. So 7,300,000 grams, we need to multiply that by a factor where the grams cancel and I'm left with kilograms. So we're going to use this fact up here that 1 kilogram is 1,000 grams. So I've got 7,300,000. The grams have canceled. I'm dividing by 1,000, and that's going to leave me kilograms, not kilometers, kilograms. And those zeros cancel, so I'm left with 7,300 kilograms. So there's your answer.